on now,
It's
come
like
on.
kind of like a mirror, like that.
It's on now, come on, let's go. No, there's no trail over there, it's a highway.
Okay.
Go around here. Yeah.
Probably the water bottle is mostly the problem. And it's not balanced weight. That's why it probably tipped it left. Why is it in 8th gear? It was in 8th gear. Heavy gear. 8th gear max.
Stand up, stand up. Go. Tie to the GoPro. Okay.
We're a little too fast for it.
Doing mountain biking. There you go. Oh, stay on your left so people know you're coming. Thank you. Turn left. We did it. Careful with that one because it's curved. Nathan, don't go close to the person. You're really close to the lady. Okay, stay on the right side. when there's a hiker, you have to give him some distance. Like that. Oh, almost there, Nathan. I see the highway, I think. Almost there. Yeah, that's the highway. We're just gonna cross. Yes, we did it. Okay, we'll park over there. That's the other side. Come on, go. Make a right. Make a right. And then come on, you cross the street. There's no cars. Come on, go now. See, that's where we park over there. Uphill. Woo, we did it. Oh yan, uphill yan. Go point number 1. One gear. Point one gear. One more. A second gear. Because it's gonna be uphill. One more gear up. Come on. A lot of jogger, hikers. It's down here, come on. There you go. Make a left. Yan. And then right. Almost there. Almost to the finish line. Make a right. Pedal, pedal. Yan. It's gonna be downhill again. Come on. Yan. Watch for the bike. Stay on the right side. Always stay on the right side, okay? When you pass, stay on the left side. Or stay on the left side, stay on your left. There you go. You stay on the right side. Or go pedal. Stay in that speed. That gear. See, you're faster now. You won't get tired if you put it in 7 or 6 gears. Yes, going down, come on, pedal. Yeah, it's downhill still, come on. So you go much faster. There you go. Yeah, downhill, come on. But be careful with the people, huh? Stay on the right side. There's the ladies. There'll be a big downhill, come on. Oh, careful, huh? There's a turn there. Use your brake, especially the back brake. Stay on your left. On your left. Sorry. On your left. Oh, thank you. You're so fast, Nathan. On your left. Come on. You're so fast. You're so fast, Nathan. I know it's like you're like running 40 miles per hour. Come on. 35. Go, go, go. Still pedal. Still downhill. Now uphill. Take a left. Take a left. Left. See, it's fun going downhill, right? Oh, downhill. On your left. Thank you. Careful, downhill. It's a big downhill, come on. Careful. Use your brake when it's too fast. There you go. Woo! So fast. Yeah. It's gonna be downhill. Uphill. So go to number 3 or 4. It's gonna be uphill, so. Oh, you still out of it? Okay, go. Keep pedaling. Yeah. See, it's fun going downhill, right? It's gonna be uphill now, so go to number 3 or 2. You still okay? Pedaling. When you feel like you're pedaling too slow. Still going up, so staying up there.
Woo!
Go.
Okay. Just pushing my bike.
Yeah, just walk it up first. Yeah, that's Nathan. He's hot, so he took off his helmet. Okay, make a left there. Right here. Come on. Okay, go to second gear so you don't pedal faster. Yeah, that's it. Stay there. Stay second gear. You still want the suspension seat, Nathan? Huh? Oh. Maybe 3 more months you'll be taller so you can reach the ground. Because the suspension doesn't go that low. Not like with the I can go all the way down to the frame. But there's no suspension, it's harder. So you prefer like that? Or go to the first gear? Yeah, of course. They need to go up and down. Yes, correct. Go first gear. Go to first gear. Come on, go to first gear. Go to first gear. I'll push you. Come on. Go. I'll push you. Yeah, I'll push you. Come on. I'll push you. I'll push you. Come on. Come on. Go help me push yourself. Yeah. Push you. Come on. Yeah. Go. Go. Go push you. Push you. Yeah. Okay. We're at the top now. Come on, pedal harder. Yan. We're on the top now. Come on, go harder. If you don't like mountain bike, Nathan, I can just give that to Nadine. And then you don't have to come with me. Okay? Oh, that's why I call mountain bike.